Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to insert address in Google Sheets on computer. So how to insert address in Google Sheets on computer? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go to the Google Sheets application on your computer or laptop. And this is the initial display of the Google Sheets work page. Go straight to the column that will be Insert Address. Then move the cursor to the top of the screen. Here there are several menu options. Tap Menu Insert. Now here a scrolling menu will appear. Down itself. And tap Links Smart Chips menu. Now several menu options will appear. Tap Place. Now here you will be asked to type an address. For example, I will add this address. Tap Address. Now here it will appear like this. Try I tap. You can see here the address I entered earlier. So that's it, tutorial how to insert address in Google Sheets on computer. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.